Hey guys, today we're going to be going over the LG stacking kit and how that is installed, as well as some tips and tricks. The link to the product used in this video will be found in the description. It is for 27-inch wide washer and dryers. LG also makes a version for 29-inch appliances. I've seen a lot of comments and a lot of the different reviews that other brands can use this stacking kit. I would imagine, especially the brands that LG manufactures, which I know there are many brands that LG makes their washers and dryers for. So again, that's something you'll have to dig up on your own if you don't have LG washer and dryers. But again, pretty straightforward. The 27-inch, from what I've seen, sells for about 35. The 29-inch for about 40. So before I start the video, gonna give you some tips. Definitely recommend to level your washing machine. Do this in the place where it will be its final resting spot. So place the washing machine where you're planning on stacking everything, then level those feet, get the machine level in from left to right and front to back. From there you need to lower the legs on the dryer all the way, and then after the brackets are installed, have two people lift up the dryer and place the feet within the little slots you'll see in the video, and then install the crossbar. So again, here's the video showing how that all works out.
Here's your instructions and 4 screws. Pretty simple. You have this adhesive sticker, you remove that. Place it on. This is a crossbar. Oh good. Move this box, get it out of the way. Same thing on this side. Remove that white tape. Stick it there. And then with these screws, there's a spot back here where you tie it into the back of the machine. Then once these two pieces are completely installed, move this guy out of the way, put the dryer on, slide it in, slide the feet of the dryer into these slots. Then once that's done, this bar goes across and you tie that in with the other 2 screws and creates the bar that holds it in. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That's how the stacking kit works.